Laskin, shoot ka. Huwag na tayong mag-intro kasi ako'y malilate. Sorry, tuloy pala. Hi everybody, good morning. Kate Reta here. Alam mo na, shocks. Piling ko tumaba na ako sa Pilipinas. So for today's video, come with me as I finally go visit Siargao. Hoy, I can finally say it. Welcome to Manila. Finally, I'm back. So it's, what, 2:30 here in Manila and my flight is 3 in the morning. So, ayan. Dahil, may nakita man ako madre, tapos tira may suot ko. Bigla na lang ako na paano. Thanks, ang tawag doon. No, why, sabihin sa mga ganong bagay-bagay. So, ayan. So, my gate is 1:31. Hoy, alam mo ba, I made a new intro for my vlog, but let's do that later na lang. First, magpahinga muna ako kasi antok na rin ako. Hoy, it's my first time to experience this. Cebu Pacific is on time. See, on all my flights, it's the first time. Hoy, alam mo ba, it has been a while since I did my domestic flight. I think it's about like 10 years ago. Ano pa yon? I was with my friends. We went to, I forgot, Butuan? I forgot na, but somewhere there. So it's gonna be like my second domestic flight after 10 years. So it's finally happening and I'm really happy to do this. Ang hirap pala maganap ng upuan kapag ganitong oras. Oy, everyone is sleeping and I don't want to wake them up just so I can sit. So better dito na lang ako. Pagbalik mo ng Pilipinas, ganyan na lang mangyayari sa'yo dito. Ano kaya mga magaganap sa Siargao? I'm so excited. Okay, it's a connecting flight by the way, so I'll be in Cebu around 5. It's gonna be like 3 hours to stop over. Hi, this is gonna be my first ever vlog here in the Philippines. So, kind of nervous and excited at the moment. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but I'll do my best to, you know, to showcase the Philippines. And our first stop in the Philippines will be Siargao. Inakaw ko sa nanay ko. Inakaw ko lang to sa nanay ko. Wait, let's do my chant before we start this trip because I think I have not been doing it for a very long time because, you know, I don't know. I just was not able to do it. Okay, but let's do it today. Be brave and always be kind. Life is not easy, but it's beautiful. Ay, mali, parang mali. Be brave and always be kind. Life is not easy, but it's beautiful. Ano na yan? Nakalimutan ko na siya. Ay, be brave and always be kind. Life is not easy, but it's beautiful. I'm loved and I'm not alone. Last, not the least. Be happy and always smile. Oh, happy sado pa din. Alam mo yan. Oh, hoy, ayun lang. Oh, yun na. Few more minutes. Hoy, nabasa man ako ng ulan. Nagubad talaga ako dahil pak. Alam mo, nasa bahay lang yung ayos ko. Hi, for everyone who's asking about my Pakistan vlog, don't worry, I got more episodes, but it's no longer the KTBL. It's gonna be just like the continuation of my Pakistan vlog. But I'm not gonna be uploading it yet. I just really wanted to take a break from my Pakistan vlog. So here I am in the Philippines, back in the Philippines. Just wanna do like a few vlogs here before I continue my vlog in the Philippines. And by the way, I got my Indian visa approved, but I decided not to go to India first because again, I got sick and I cannot afford to get sick in India. So I decided to go back in the Philippines just for a few weeks or maybe a month or two just to recover from it. Outfit. Ganda-gandahan ako eh.
Morning, welcome aboard.
Good morning. Good morning. Say hi.
Hi, good morning. May we request everyone to kindly safeguard all those things.
Oo siya. Magpapahinga muna ako. Mag-beauty rest muna ako. Kailangan magpahinga para pagdating doon maganda. Siargao. Alam mo na mga nangyayari sa Siargao. Okay, very quick update. So, I arrived in Mactan, Cebu International Airport and just waiting for my flight heading to Siargao. O, diba? Walang energy. Antok na antok. So, 1 more hour and then I'll be heading to Siargao. Hoy, ito naman ginawa ko. Tiligang ko ng ano. Kasi meetingin ako ng mga charas. Oh, this is so exciting. This is like the final bus going to the last airplane going to Siargao. So, nagkakaganting angulo ko pa, hindi kinitigyawan ko. Ito na. Ang liit lang ng airplane niya going to Siargao. Na-atake ako ng pagka-introvert ko for today's video, girl. I'm really trying my best to do my vlog today, but yeah. Hi, everybody, look up.
Ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to your
to.
cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. In
Can I
case
first
of
time ride
emergency
something like
evacuation,
this?
follow the lights that will further
not
information.
scary,
Please
but let's see.
refer to the passenger briefing.
Oh, good morning, Cebu. Good morning, Siargao. This looks kind of scary, honestly. This is the Pocho. I think this is like the Pocho of the airplane. Again, this is the smallest plane I've ever been to, so it feels kind of neat, but I don't know how it feels like. Are those an island? Are those islands? I don't know. See. Hi everybody, this is like a full experience if ever you decided to go to Siargao. So, ayan na, the Olympics is starting na. Okay, let's zoom in, let's see what we can see down there. I'm excited. Siargao is finally happening. Nagpag yung ano ko, wait lang. Wait lang, nagpapag siya. Hiyo, everybody! Welcome to Siargao. Ang taray ko, 9 years in the making tong Siargao ko. Promise, this is my second domestic flight in the Philippines. Diba? Pero yung international flights ko, hindi ko na nabilang. Pero yung domestic flight ko, it only happened 2 times. So, Kuya Antaray, welcome to Siargao. Kuya, ito yung plane namin, look. Small lang siya. Tapos sobrang sakit sa ears, grabe. Kaya at some point, feeling ko nabingi na ako. Talaga. Itong bag na to, gamit na gamit. Yung bag na to, kotang-kota to, promise. Ang memorable na ng bag ko na to. Sa Dubai ko pa to binili. My God, tayo na naman yung magkasama. Hi, this is legit na. Oh, welcome to Siargao. Once you arrive, there's like a 20 pesos environmental fee. Ibigay mo na. Siargao, okay. There's ATM there. Oh, everybody yan na. Once you arrive here, there's ATM. Oh, if bet you mag-picture there, I love Siargao. There's also I love Siargao there. Okay, good morning po. Pero nakakatuwa. Finally back in the Philippines. Ito yung mga nag-aabang.
Ma'am? Share ban po.
Sige. Ang bilis ka usap, di ba? Sige. Ibababa niyo ako sa harap ng hostel, tama? Okay.
Automatic yan, ma'am.
Okay. Sige. Di ba? Ang bilis kong kausap, di ba, kuya?
Okay.
Kuya, hi ka muna. Hi. Everybody, alam yun na. So, once you arrive here, you're gonna see like a lot of people who's gonna be offering you like the mat. So it's gonna be hard for you to commute going to General Luna. Oo, diba? Oh, go. Sige, search mo ako. Pag ako hindi lumabas sa Pilipinas, promise masasad ako. Search mo K-space-T-O.
Ayan.
Diba? Yeah, see? Hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hi.
Hello. Kuya, mag-hi ka muna. Hi. First vlog in the Philippines, so dapat it's gonna be memorable. Hi everybody, once you arrive here, the driver like will drop you like exactly nasa hostel niyo, so you don't have to worry about it. And Kuya's very kind. Kuya ha, ayan ha. Promotion to, Kuya ha. Pag nakita mo ako next time, may discount na to ha. Huy, everybody, welcome to Siargao. Huy, namiss ko tong Pilipinas. Kuya, ano pangalan mo?
Lito.
Lito? Ay, Lapid? Kilala mo yun, Kuya? Si Lito Lapid?
Ay, siyempre.
Okay. Panahon mo yun no? Lito Lapid. Hoy, I think I have arrived. Ilakay, ayan daw. Hello, Ilakay dito, tama. You speak English? Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Okay.
Straight, then left. Straight, then...
Ay, malayo.
Okay lang.
Okay. Straight lang. Okay, straight left and then straight. Thank you.
Straight, left, then...
Okay.
Ay, maririnig lang ang inang boses na yun.
Ang ganda naman ni ate. Nice meeting you. Ang ganda ng mukha niya. Kamukha niya si Moana. Ay! Totoo ba? Becky ba siya? Hoy, Becky daw siya. Same daw kami. Ang ganda, shootang ina. Hoy, hindi, babae yun. Tangin ako, Becky yun. Ang ganda nun. Grabe yan. O, diba? Ganda ako maka-appreciate ng ganda. Gandang-ganda ako sa mga yung, alam yung Pilipinang-Pilipina. Tapos ang ganda-ganda, grabe. Gusto ko yung ganung mga mukha. Hoy, nakakapanibago to. I'm also glad that I did this. Imagine, nagbabackpack ako ngayon sa Pilipinas. Ang saya, diba? Hele, mukhang si Sir yung sasalubong sa akin. Ano ba naman yung... Hello. Hoy, amoy Pilipinas. Yung siga. Alam mong Pilipinas na to. Yung mga siga-siga na dahon. Oh my God, I miss this. Hoy, I'm really glad na I went back to the Philippines. Ilaka. Kuya, hello. Saan yung reception? Okay, dito daw. Ito na. Okay, mag-check-in muna ako. Tapos, ay, chef naman, shucks. Ano? Vlogger? Yes po. I arrived na. Hello. Ito na ako sa hostel ko. Ang ganda, social. See?
Pangit yung background mo, may tarpaulin.
Ha? Hindi okay lang yan, para natural. Ganun lang ako magsabi ko kasi pa nag-vlog ako. Yun na yun. Hey everybody, so I finally arrived here in my hostel. So it was a long journey, but it was really... I think it's... Ayan na naman, mag-edit na naman ako shoot. Wala na ako masasabi. Okay, again, this is gonna be the day one of my Siargao trip. So I'm gonna be meeting my friends and good weather. It's kind of raining right now, so I hope this is gonna be I don't really have any plans today, but I'm looking forward to have something really fun later this evening. So let's do it. And okay, again, welcome to day one of my Siargao trip. Okay, everybody, just want to show you like a very quick view of my hostel. So it really looks good. The ambience is good. The place looks really wonderful. So ayan siya. Just say hello. It's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, he recognized me. I'm so happy. Hindi masyadong recognize, but still, nakita niya pa rin ako sa reels. I'm happy. Thank you.
It was a view from Pakistan.
Yeah. Ang saya, diba? I told you. Umabot na sa Siargao yung mga kalandian ko. Aminin mo yan. And here, and that's sweet. That's gonna be my room. So I'm gonna be sharing a room with, I think with these guys and these ladies and all the people here. I don't know. And also with Joseph. So, yan. Hi! Hey, wala akong makeup. Pero may tigawat ako. Buisit talaga. Huy, yung mga kasama ko sa hostel, day, ang sarap talaga. Sko, day, parang mag-one year ako sa Siargao. Uy! Ang sarap yung mga karog, Ang hirap mo ka-banding, dapat bakla kasama ko, hindi lalaki, nakakainis ka. Walang support yung mga reaction niya, puro siya, ang landi mo, puro ka paglalandi. Wala man support. Hoy, ito naman yung view ko, Ay, charot. Kung makahaya ko, kala mo talaga. Hoy, mistisa, Kaya hindi ako nag-makeup kasi mas maganda pa yung balat ko pag walang makeup. Oo nga, pag may makeup ako, hindi maganda yung balat ko. Hello! Yung pang Miss Universe, yung ganon. Yan, ganyan. Mga naiisip ko talaga. Kayo, ayun na may pagkain. Pagkain! Charos. Hoy, ang daming apam dito. Parang, ano ba? Ay, Diyos ka. Hoy, tingnan mo, halo. Daling ko sa kanto ng Malabon yan, day talaga, Hoy, yun na yung halo-halo. Teka lang, nakalimutan mo na, promise. Ang laki yan, sosyal. Halaya talaga yan, ate? Hoy, ang sosyal, halaya talaga siya. Huwag kang mahiya, ang ganda mo kaya. Ang sosyal. Ay, halaya talaga. Ang sarap ng halo-halo, Ayun, Ay, sorry. Ito pala yung halo-halo. Sorry, mamay. Tignan nyo naman yung halo-halo sa Siargao. Day, 90% sahog. Wala na yung yellow, Ay, grabe, ang dami sahog ang OA. Tignan mo. Kakaloka. Man, humingi ka man ng ice. Okay, there's a little celebration here in our hostel, but I had to go. I need to go with my friends, so I'll be back, and I'll just greet them later na lang. Hey! Hello! Happy birthday. Balikan kita later.
Not my birthday.
Ano ba? Saan mo birthday?
Celebration for her 1 month in here.
Okay, celebration. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I'll be back, Sorry, I made plans earlier. Okay, so ayan, sorry. I had to go. At nito yung sundo ko, shucks.
Please come in here.
Man, sorry naman. Sorry yung ano ko yung...
Diyan ka na lang,
Bakit? Dito na lang tayo?
Oo.
Tara. Ang daling kausap.
Everyone is staying in Lakay.
You don't want na? Okay.
So we are
Wait, I'm back. Sabi niya dito na lang daw kami, okay.
Wait.
Hoy, wala akong idea sa beer po. I don't drink a lot, di ba? So, hoy, Eman, kasali ka. Huwag kang umarte. Can you say, hi? Ang ganda nung ka-group ko. Ay, ano yun? Hoy, it's my first ever na ano.
It's fucking
Mga ganyan-ganyan. Mabait ako, I told you. Hindi ko pa na-experience yung mga ganyang bagay.
elbows.
Tinan mo, Moana. Di ba? Nakaka-Disney princess. Si ate girl, laban.
Yes.
Ang saya, Pero Diyosa, day, Tapos na yung laban.
Your elbows must
Shower later now. Shower later.
Hoy, first time ko po magbi-beer pong ba? Mabait kaya ako.
Kaya
First
yan.
time ko to, so okay.
Maybe you're natural.
Ay! May natural ganun. May ganun pa. Okay. Oy, naguguluhan na ako. Ang dami nangyayari, girl. Okay. Let's do your turn. Ay, gaganon. Okay, go. Ay! Oh, shit. Hoy.
Yeah.
Shucks. Natatakot ako.
Your turn back.
Ikaw na. Ay, si ate mukhang iniinit niya yung bola, siya.
Oo nga.
Mukhang
Kaya pala
ayun na
tigas
yun.
ng bola.
Ay! Oo. Okay, go. Wait lang, kapag dito na-shot yung ball, ito yung iinumin mo?
Hindi, ito.
Okay, naisip ko kaya ang dirty nun, shucks. Di ba?
Yeah.
Wait, where is it na?
For you.
Ay, there, the ball. The ball. Okay, go. Go. Ikaw na.
Very.
Girl, ang taas ang energy, ha?
May 500 din yan.
May bayad ba? Ay, may price ba?
Oo.
Ay, hoy, may 500 pala to, shucks. Galingan ko.
Team will receive 500 pesos.
Really? Okay, there's 500
Okay,
now.
the winning team in here got 500, the winning team in there got 500. Tapos maglalaban yung dalawang team na yun. Tapos makakopa na isang 500.
I love that. See, there's prize. Wala pa nakakashoot. Sila sigaw na sigaw. Ang gagaling nila. Ay! Ako yung binabato, man. Buisit ka. Hindi pa tayo nakakashoot, Hindi tayo competitive. Ay! Hoy, hindi pa ako nakakashoot. Wala pa nakakashoot sa amin. Ano ba yan?
Para naman tayong bobo dito. Kakailang round.
Ay! Anong gagawin?
Inom ka, te. Ikaw inom, te.
Like, hindi naman uubusin to, di ba?
Oo, hindi.
Okay.
Kimi-kimi lang.
Okay, go.
Zip, zip. lang, P. Basta, charet.
Oh, ano na? Nilalagay nila sa gilid eh.
Oo. Oh, yan, dito na yun.
Ah, okay.
Yun it.
Ha? I need training sorry.
Isip talaga.
Pakita naman yung backlash natin, girl, oh. Backlash, go! It's done?
Masa na lang.
Oh, ala, look at us.
I know, di ba?
Nahihila na ako.
Kasi kayo kasi pinapasukan.
Hi, I'm dizzy na. Just one.
Sanay pumasok.
Ay! Ay!
Oh, your turn.
Pero sanay kami humawak ng bola. Alam mo yan. Oh, go. Shot. Shot.
Lakas lang.
Wow, why?
Malakas lang masyado.
Ay! Ay! Na-shoot namin. The fuck? Oh, di ba?
Drink your beer, bro.
Ay! Ay, ikaw na ha? You have to drink. Salit pa rin yun, or kayo ulit? Kami, okay. They're making sigaw-sigaw at the back. Ay, akala mo ha? Hoy, may nanalo na dito. Mas masaya yung sa kanila dito, they won. Hoy, talo kami, wala nang 500. Matulog na. Pag ganyan, matulog. Huwag sayang yung energy. Ano gagawin mo dyan, be?
Ha?
Ano gagawin mo sa coins?
Okay lang.
Ay, ganda, pak. Manika.
Mo, kahit hindi sa'yo.
Oh! Ay, gusto ko yun!
Hindi sa akin.
Hoy, ulitin mo dito yan. Narinig mo yung sinabi niya, parang pareho kami na gusto nito. Agawin mo.
Agawin mo,
Kahit.
kahit hindi sa'yo.
Tapos.
Kalimutan ko tuloy. Agawin mo kahit hindi sa'yo. Huwag kang loser.
Ay, pero we don't want that, no?
Pero joke lang.
Joke lang yun. Yay! Happy birthday!
Charot lang, huwag kang mang-agaw ng hindi sa'yo.
Real life?
Akin lang si Romeo.
Ay! Real talk nga, hindi nangaagaw.
Hindi ako nang aagaw.
Okay, good
Basta
girl.
mamang-agaw.
True, that's true. Love niya
Agawin
yan.
mo pag hindi niya alam.
Ay! Traulo to. Hoy. This is... Wait lang. Manatutulog ba? This is where I'm gonna finish like the first day of my shareout trip. I'm super duper drunk, fuck. And the people are still partying outside, so I can't really do like much vlogs outside because they're playing music and I can't do it because I'm gonna have copyright strike, so I'm gonna end my vlog tonight. I hope that you enjoyed watching the first day of my shareout trip. I know it's not that long, it's not so exciting, but I still hope that you enjoyed watching my vlog for today. Again, this is Skater and you have a good day.